Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I have been using the brand new Jet Lag Overnight Eye Serum from Summer Fridays for the past couple of weeks, and I am so impressed with the improvement I have seen. My lines are minimized, my under eyes feel so much more moisturized, and they feel firmer. I wake up with soft, smooth, and supple skin. Jet lag. Overnight Eye Serum is formulated to minimize fine lines, leaving the eye area looking smoother, firmer, plus super hydrating. This emollient nighttime eye serum is powered by super hydrating glycerin, barrier-supporting ceramides, plus a gentle retinoid blend to help visibly minimize fine lines for a smoother, firmer look to the eye area. Let's deep dive into its key ingredients. It has glycerin, which attracts and locks in moisture that helps skin feel soft and supple. It contains retinol and retinol linolite, improves the appearance of fine lines, and is gentle for all skin types. It has licorice root extract, soothes the look of irritation, and reduces the look of puffiness. In the evening, gently apply a small amount around the contour of each eye. Final thought, it has a gel to balmy days texture that really deeply nourishes and hydrates the under eye. I love how it really locks in the moisture and keeps the eyes hydrated for a long period of time. It's powered by super hydrating glycerin, barrier-supporting ceramides, and a gentle retinoid blend. Helps to visibly minimize fine lines. Thanks for watching.